Today's our experiment about why do three candles burn differently. Take three identical beakers and take three small candles. Place one on a glass sheet, another in an empty beaker, and the third in a beaker filled with sodium carbonate powder. Light up the three candles separately. Put a beaker to burn the candle on the glass sheet. Observe that after a period of time, the candle gradually extinguished. Pour an appropriate amount of hydrochloric acid into the beaker filled with sodium carbonate powder. Observe that as the gas produced by the reaction, the candle gradually extinguished. The main reason behind extinguishing of candle flames is the formation of carbon dioxide gas. Thanks for the watching, and please subscribe and like our channel.